everyone. Welcome back to the English Room. I'm Emma.
And I'm David. If you want to improve your English speaking and listening every day, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Today's lesson is super useful because we're talking about something everyone has.
A daily routine.
Exactly. Waking up, brushing your teeth, going to work, eating dinner, all in English.
And today we also have shadowing practice for beginners.
Shadowing means you listen carefully and repeat after us out loud.
Just like an echo.
Yes, don't be shy, speak loudly, and practice with us.
Even if your pronunciation is not perfect yet, that's okay.
Practice makes progress.
Before we begin, we have a question for you.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
Do you check your phone, drink coffee, go back to sleep?
Write your answer in the comments below.
Okay, Emma, are you ready?
Ready. Let's start today's English practice. Good morning, Emma. You look very awake today. Thank you. I woke up early this morning.
Really? What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 a.m.
Wow, that is early. What did you do first?
First, I turned off my alarm and got out of bed.
Did you check your phone immediately?
No, I tried not to.
Tried?
Okay, maybe for 2 minutes.
2 minutes becomes 20 minutes very quickly.
That is true. So what happened next?
I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and took a shower.
Sounds productive already.
Then I made coffee and had breakfast.
What did you eat?
Toast, eggs, and fruit.
Very healthy. What about you?
Honestly, I skipped breakfast this morning.
David!
I know. I was late.
What time do you usually leave home?
Around 8 a.m. Then I commute to work by bus.
How long does your commute take?
About 40 minutes if traffic is okay.
And what do you do after work?
I usually go home, eat dinner, and relax.
How do you relax?
I watch YouTube videos or play video games.
That sounds fun. What about you? I usually read a book or listen to music before bed.
That sounds much healthier than video games.
Maybe just a little. Now, let's talk about grammar.
Don't worry, today's grammar is very easy.
When we talk about routines or habits, we use the simple present tense.
Things we do every day.
For example, I wake up at 6.
She drinks coffee every morning.
He goes to work by bus.
Notice something important.
With he and she, we usually add an S to the verb.
I work.
He works.
I drink coffee.
She drinks coffee.
That small s is very important in English.
Yes, many English learners forget it.
Sometimes I forget it too.
David!
Okay. Only sometimes.
Our first phrase is wake up.
Wake up means to stop sleeping.
For example, I wake up at 6:30 every morning.
Last week, my alarm did not ring.
Oh no.
I woke up at 9:15 and my meeting started at 9.
That sounds stressful.
It was a terrible morning.
Next phrase, brush your teeth.
This means to clean your teeth with a toothbrush.
For example, I brush my teeth after breakfast.
One time, I was so tired that I put face wash on my toothbrush.
David.
It tasted horrible.
Next phrase, take a shower.
For example, she takes a shower before work.
I love taking hot showers in the morning.
Especially during winter.
Have breakfast means to eat your morning meal.
For example, he has breakfast at 7.
Breakfast gives you energy for the day.
Unless your breakfast is only coffee.
That does not count, David. Next phrase, take a shower.
For example, she takes a shower before work.
I love taking hot showers in the morning.
Especially during winter.
Our last word is relax.
Relax means to rest and feel comfortable.
For example, I relax after dinner,
Everyone needs time to relax.
especially after a busy day. Okay, everyone, now it's time for shadowing practice.
Listen carefully and repeat after us.
Speak loudly and clearly. Wake up.
Wake up.
I wake up at 6:30.
Now you say it.
Brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth after breakfast.
Repeat.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
I take a shower every morning. Have breakfast.
Have breakfast.
I have breakfast at 7. Commute.
Commute.
I commute by bus. Relax.
Relax.
I relax after work. Now let's practice a full conversation.
Listen first, then repeat with us.
Good morning. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 every morning.
What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I usually have eggs and toast.
How do you go to work?
I commute by bus.
What do you do after work?
I go home and relax.
Now let's practice a full conversation.
Listen first, then repeat with us.
Good morning. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 every morning.
What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I usually have eggs and toast.
How do you go to work?
I commute by bus.
What do you do after work?
I go home and relax.
Amazing job today.
You practiced listening, speaking, grammar, and pronunciation.
And remember, speaking out loud is very important.
Even 10 minutes of English practice every day can help you improve.
Let's review today's vocabulary one more time. Wake up, brush your teeth, take a shower, have breakfast, commute, relax.
And remember the simple present tense.
We use it for daily habits and routines.
Before we go, answer today's question in the comments.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
And write one sentence about your daily routine in English.
We love reading your comments.
If this lesson helped you, please give this video a thumbs up.
And subscribe to the English Room for more daily English practice.
Keep practicing,
Keep speaking.
and we'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.
And we'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.